Okay, so we're checking out another Wi-Fi FPV toy drone here, and kind of unusual design with the rear motors reversed, so the props are pointing downwards. And yeah, it's kind of a different design. I haven't seen one of these yet, but brushed motors, brushed geared motors on these. I think these are like 4.5, 5-inch props. Got a small pinhole camera here in the front. It'll send back video via Wi-Fi FPV to a smartphone app. Typical 2.4 gigahertz controller here. You got your trims on the side, one key takeoff, one key landing, reset button. You got flips and rolls on this side here and rates over here. Pretty basic operation. You also have an optical flow sensor here on the bottom. So it should have altitude hold, and optical flow should have somewhat some position hold, so even if a little bit of wind, it should stay pretty steady. Yeah, pretty basic. Got a power button here on top. Not sure what the flight time is. This is a new company. I haven't heard of them before. It's called, gosh, I'll put the name up on the screen. I've never heard of them before, but the name of the drone is the KF600. And yeah, we'll just get some video back. It only records video to your phone. There's no micro SD card slot on the drone that I could find. Just get video back to your phones. We'll see what that looks like. Well, I'm connected to the drone via Wi-Fi. My phone is connected, but the app doesn't seem to be bringing up any kind of an image. None of the controls seem to work, so it looks like we have a buggy app here. Let me see if I can just take off with the controller. And let's see here. Yeah, so the controller works. As you can see there, it's pretty steady, not moving around too much. But there's no video, and the app does not seem to be working. Okay, so yeah, we'll just fly this line of sight for now, and then if I can get video later, I'll show you some video samples later in the video. Otherwise, I guess this is kind of a buggy drone. New company, of course, so they're probably still, maybe they're working out bugs in the app. So this is the low rate. You can see here, pretty easy to control. Pretty slow too. And yeah, now we get a little bit of wind here. Let's see how it handles the wind. Not too bad. Alright, let's go into the second rate. Definitely a lot faster. If you're in some windy conditions, you probably want to be in the second rate. This is the third rate. Yeah, I think I like this a lot better. Especially if you're not a beginner, you're going to probably want to be in the third rate. This is probably going to be more to your liking if you're flying line of sight. Alright, let's see how the optical flow is working here. Not too bad. There's a pretty good breeze coming from behind me. It's bobbling around a little bit, but optical flow working pretty good. Okay, let's see how the how this works on the flips. Let's see here. Raises up and does a little flip. Go the other way. Raises up. Flip the other way. Flip backwards. That works pretty good. And raise. Flip it forward. Flips work pretty fine. It's unfortunate the video doesn't work. I like the way it flies. I'm not sure about the video with the camera in between the props. You know, it's going to be in your video, whatever resolution it is. See here. I'm going to actually try and I'm going to land it. I'm going to reboot everything and see if I can get the Wi-Fi to connect again and see some video. Alright, bring it over here, and then it's a one-touch landing button. There it goes. Alright, nice easy landing. Let's turn everything off. The Wi-Fi ought to be disconnected now. Yep, no Wi-Fi connection. Let's turn this on. Let's turn on the controller and bind it. And let's wait for the Wi-Fi to come. Okay, so it connected right away to the Wi-Fi. Now let's close all the apps here and relaunch the app. Okay, now it's showing up. Okay, so it's possible that there's a bug in here. So I can connect now. I'm going to go ahead and it's showing up here on the app, but it's not actually doing it. Let's hit start. Do we have video now? Okay, now we have video. Okay, great. So you can see we have video recording on the phone. That's recording to the phone app, and then let's record video to the phone as well through the app. Alright, so we got that recording. Apparently there's some gesture controls on here, but the instructions were a little unclear as to how that works, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to be testing it. Let's just take off and give it a try though. Right into the third rate. So you can see me now in the video. Pretty narrow field of view. It doesn't look too bad. All right, let's see what this gestures does. I don't know if it's going to do anything or not. No, I really have no idea. It doesn't seem to do anything, so let's turn that off. Still recording. Yeah, it's bobbing around in the wind here. It is trying to maintain position. Not too bad. Send it back a little bit here. Yeah, it's a very narrow field of view. See how far I can go out. Wi-Fi video is not too bad. It's a little jerky. Yeah, it's actually frozen up now when I rotated the drone. Let's bring it back here closer. So you can't take it too far away. I was not that far away, maybe 15 meters away, and the video froze up. Typical of Wi-Fi FPV. It's not very reliable. No. Just gonna fly it around while it's recording some video. So I'm going to bring it closer to me and then take it higher up. Obviously the optical flow is probably going to work worse up there. Let's see what happens. It is not drifting too much. Not too bad. Amazingly working pretty good up there, holding position. Alright. Oh, now it's drifting. So, oh, now it's holding position. So it's looking for a lock, is trying to come back. Very interesting. So, I don't want to take it too far up. We'll take it a little further up. It is windy right now, so I'm pretty surprised it isn't getting blown away. So whatever camera system they're using seems to be pretty good, at least on the optical flow sensor part. I'm gonna bring it back down. Alright, so let's take a couple of photos and I think we're done with this flight demo. Camera's almost pointing at an up angle, the way it looks like. So we'll stop the video recording and we'll take a couple of photos. Bring it a little closer here. Yeah, it does definitely look like it's almost pointing upwards. You can see where the drone is. It's below my head. And we'll take another photo. Alright, let's take one more here. Not too bad. Alright, let's go ahead and land it. Let me know what you guys think of this interesting drone. Reversed motors in the back. I think I've seen just about everything these days in toy drones. Oh, it's drifting around a lot when you try to bring it closer to the concrete. It doesn't like that. Interesting. Not sure what that's all about. Bring it back. And go ahead and land it. Well, at least in terms of line of sight flying, it looks like it works pretty reliably. Anyway guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.